The main reason why I came onto the video was to let you guys know that I'm on my way to go launch my kayak, and then I'm going to tow an additional kayak out to a small island, and I'm fighting the daylight because I'm trying to get out to the small island before the sun sets so I can set up and take pictures of the new updated PacMotor. I'm gonna have the new latest and greatest thrusters on there. They'll be blue in color, so you better tell that they're the new ones. They're better performance, they're a little bit bigger, and they got more durability. And then also I'm going to be showcasing the GPS features as I'm towing out there, because I'll just use GPS navigation. It'll just drive me out there automatically, so that's going to be really cool. So here's the first fully assembled PacMotor with all the latest and greatest features. Here's the bigger thrusters. You can see that they're blue in color. They have a little bit bigger housing. The thrusters the propeller slightly bigger, but best than that, the internal motor has better sealing for durability, and will last longer for your PacMotor service life. And here you can see we have the new cooling plate with PacMotor. This is aluminum here, so that's a heat sink for the internals. So it also has the GPS features inside here and the inertial motion control unit in there. Here's the remote. I'm Matt, I'm the founder of PacMotor. I just want to let you guys know that we're dropping the latest and greatest PacMotor this week in preparation for Black Friday. So you'll be able to pre-order your PacMotor with a big discount. And the reason why we're giving the discount, not only because of Black Friday, but because it's a pre-order, because we just started manufacturing the next 500 unit batch, and it takes about 60 days for the manufacturing to complete, and then shipping will be underway. So we expect at the end of December the units to start shipping, and so they'll be received around middle of January. So check out PacMotor.com to get the latest update and the best discounts you can get for Black Friday. Just got to the kayak launch spot, so there's a small island straight out there. I'm going to try to hurry up and beat this sunset and get my PacMotors out there so I can demo you guys the GPS upgrades and the new thrusters. So my idea is I'm going to pull two kayaks. Well, not pull, I'm gonna pull one. I'm gonna be in this one with the PacMotor on there, and then I'm gonna use a strap to pull this one with all my gear out to the island so I can use this as my prop for taking pictures. I actually don't even know if this island out there is gonna have the beach that I'm thinking it will, but let's see. There's the island. That's where I'm heading, and there's a boat out there, but I don't know if they'll still be there when I get there. It'll be probably about 20 minutes, but I'm hoping that I could set up somewhere on that beach there to get some nice photos. We'll see what it looks like. You know, it's not ideal conditions, but it's still really nice out, so I'm going for it. PacMotor is going strong. I'm just using a joystick right now. I'll switch over to GPS in a minute. All right, guys, so it took me just a little bit too long to get going because I left the power cable to connect my PacMotor battery up to the battery in the PacMotor. I left it and I had to go back about 15 minutes to get it, and so now the sun's pretty much setting, but I'm doing the journey anyways. Why not? I'm pulling it. I got the props in there. I got PacMotor, and so I'm out here. Okay, so I switched over to, I'm going to use GPS. So what you do is I'm using the regular cruise control on the remote right now. You can see it's green, and so I'm still pulling the boat, and I'm going in that direction. But this isn't the smart cruise control. So to get the smart cruise control, you just turn off the remote, or you stop the cruise control, then you turn off the remote, and then you can come over here to PacMotor. And then you can hit search for a device, connect to your PacMotor like that. Now you can go to cruise control here, and you can hit lock cruise control and then go up to full speed, right? And it's going to keep me in that direction. So now this is going to actually, if I want to turn a little bit to the left, I can correct it right here. And now you can see that dot. Now it's going to try to correct me. And now I'm heading directly for the island and where I want to go. And this is going to keep me in that heading lock all the time. So this is a more advanced cruise control. It will keep you from going from the wind pushing you or waves pushing you. It's going to keep you locked onto this direction. And that's kind of perfect. That's exactly what I need for right now, because I'm just trying to get to the island so I can set up and take some camera shots of the PacMotor. And while you're in cruise control, you can always close it down. You can open up other apps, music or whatnot, and you can come back and it's still going to keep you locked on to this heading. And so while that's going, we can take a look at the upgraded PacMotor. There's the cooling heatsink. Here's the new pins. Yeah, and I'm pulling, I don't know how much that kayak weighs. Put a bunch of gear in there. It doesn't even care. Oh, there's that boat. We're almost to the island. And if I wouldn't have dropped the cable in the garage and didn't pick it up, I would have been on perfect timing for lighting. I'm going to still try to do it. We have made it with a little bit of daylight. Oh, it's super shallow right here, so I'm going to have to just get out. First thing I'm going to do is just raise the motors up, because we don't want those to hit the ground if we can avoid it. So you can set them, if you wanted to, you could set them like just below the water like this, and it'd be perfect. And that's why we have all these different settings. But for right now, I'm gonna get into the water, so I don't really care about them. I need to take my shoes off. But there's like a sandbar here. So this is perfect just to show you guys PacMotor up close. Here it is. Let me get the best lighting. I'm gonna go ahead and get these buckets up here and see if I can make this work. My kayaks are drifting. Hopefully there's no shoot, oh my God. I'm good. I'm good. Let me undo these. So PacMotor is so cool because it got me out here from way over there in like 5 minutes. I mean, it looks further on camera, but it's 5-10 minutes and I'm out here. It's probably like a half a mile. But I really just wanted to get these videos out to show you guys the latest and greatest PacMotor. This is the blue version. You'll be able to see the difference between the motors, knowing that you have the upgraded thrusters, which are really nice. I'm gonna take this PacMotor off because I don't need it right now. I'll show you how fast it is to take off PacMotor. You just literally pull the straps and then bump it loose, and boom, it's off. And then quickly, you guys are seeing some crazy action right now. I'm gonna put it on here. Well, that looks weird, but what I'm gonna do is set it up like that for some cool pictures. So what you do is you tighten the strap. I would lock the motors in at the top, like I'm doing here. And then I would pull this tab here and tighten up the bottom strap. And I would get it as tight as I can on this side. Come over this side, get it more tight. You can see how it snugs. And that's how it goes. And then you just pull down the strap from the side. Fighting the lighting right now. But what I wanted to do was prop this up. So you can see that's how it would go on a small, this is like a 10-foot kayak, a very small one. That's how it would snug on there, and then you can lower the motors. Super dark out. I just spent 30 minutes shuffling in the water to find my phone. Thank God iPhones are waterproof, because I knocked it into the water when I was trying to take off the PacMotor quickly, and I was just moving way too fast. But that was so crazy. Like, I thought for sure it was gone. I knew I was gonna find it eventually, just because I was just gonna keep shuffling through the water until I found it. But I was just walking in the water, just way steep, just back and forth, just running into all kinds of weird stuff under the ground. I didn't care. Using bare feet, just trying to find my phone, and then I found it. So cool. I'm so happy. So I basically ran out of daylight. I got some video. I went to grab my phone to just actually take the pictures, and that's when I noticed I knocked into the water, and I had an idea where it happened because I kind of felt it and didn't realize. Okay, you'll see. I'll just edit this together, just make it a kind of a goofy video. Alright guys, so I'm leaving the island right now. That was a really kind of exhilarating little trip right there. A lot of things went wrong, but then they turned out all right because I found my phone that fell into the water. Got to be more careful with that, but it's all worth it in the end. I get to have a good time out here using PacMotor and just enjoying nature and coming out here and having fun. So check out PacMotor.com to reserve your PacMotor and finish up. But it was still worth it. It's a really nice night out. I really like seeing the bridge at nighttime and on this little island. So I'm gonna be heading back in now. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we're doing the Black Friday sale in November. So check that out, because that's where we're gonna give the biggest discounts for the pre-orders. Guys, I'm on my way back, and you'll probably see on the screen that I enabled GPS to take me back. I'm going towards the bridge. Oh, there we go. I just reached the first waypoint. Now I'm going to be going next to the bridge, kind of parallel. Heading back to my destination. I kind of just wanted to show you guys that I'm actually using GPS to take me back, so I don't, you know, one hand's holding the camera, the other hand's holding my phone. I'm just cruising back. It's pretty fun. I put this little measuring stick so you can see kind of like the distance I'm traveling. Well, you can use that measuring stick to kind of adjust, or not adjust, but get a good sense of like how far you're setting your waypoints. So I'm trying to, let me see if I can mount this camera like this so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, what I meant is you can see how it changes as I zoom in. So if I match it up, so basically that's almost 500 feet between these two waypoints, 400, 500 feet, let's see. Yeah, and so that gives you a sense of how far your waypoints are as you're setting things. So you have some measurement there. One of our customers asked about that, so I decided, hey, let's go ahead and implement that. I'm getting closer to the bridge, as you can see, and it should hit this waypoint 2. Yep, yeah, now I'm going towards waypoint 3 and I'm turning. So yeah, this is the end of the trip, but I also wanted to show you the GPS feature that we are ready to launch it. We just had like one more thing to do. I was working on, and I got that finished, so now we're ready to go. So check us out at PacMotor.com or pre-order your unit now.